Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. If you are new here, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. This week's video is upcycling video. Now then, if you go back to last week's video, which I shall link somewhere around, I went out to have a look around the charity shops and I also picked up a few pieces to make an outfit or two, and I have altered some of those pieces. Now obviously not everything, but I've just literally put outfits together and altered some just to make them the way that I want to wear them. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Okay then, so as you can see here, I have literally just popped on the top this lovely jacket that I bought last week. These are some pearls that I've had. These are secondhand, and then this is obviously the lovely brooch that I got as well secondhand, and this little turban that I got from eBay actually. And I literally paired it with the shorts that I have that I made or took up. They were the long palazzo pants that I had, and I literally just took them up and made them into shorts. And I just love the fact that they're like a little bit of a more fancy short, if you like, a bit more tailored, a bit more structured, you know. And it was really easy to take up. They were really easy to take up. So that is the first alteration. Okay, so here is the second look. These were the Ralph Lauren trousers, and I literally have just taken them up. So they're a bit like page boy style trousers, and I just love these trousers. So, and they're a beautiful velvet, and then I got this lovely ruffled top as well from Upcycle, which I've got a little vest top underneath. And then this is the, excuse my hair, this is the headscarf as well that I bought. So we've got the headscarf and then the necklace as well. And I just love the whole combination. Oh, and the shoes as well. I got these shoes last week as well, and I think they just set off the whole ensemble. I think it looks amazing. I love this. And literally I just popped the trousers on, rolled them up to where I wanted to be, pinned them, cut them, run them through the sewing machine. Simple as that. I was a bit nervous because obviously they're Ralph Lauren trousers, but it turned out great and they turned out great, and I'm really pleased in how this kind of whole outfit has come together. And then thirdly and lastly was this. I got this at the Pre-Loved Kilo event over in Worcester at the beginning of November, and it was a long dress. I did try and style it, I just wasn't feeling it, so I didn't know what to do with it. It was literally this part of the dress that absolutely spoke to me, and I put down another dress to pick this one up. So I was like, oh, right, come on, you put down that other dress that was nice, but you really wanted this one. So I didn't want to sell it or redonate, so I was like, what can I do? So I literally cut it, hemmed it, and made it into a play suit. So it is now shorts. I've still got the pockets and still got all of this fabulous detail. I just love how it's turned out, and I know I'm going to wear this in the winter time, in the summertime. It's just going to look amazing. I love this. It's just so cool. And I literally, like I say, just cut it and then cut. I have got other play suits, and I measured it up against that, so I knew how far to cut. And then the rest of it is this headband, or you can, there are belt loops. I do have it on the belt loops as well. So you can either have it on the belt loops or you could have it in the hair, but I've just done it so it's in the hair, so then it kind of runs through the whole of the outfit. I just love this. And I've literally just paired it with some tights and some red shoes that I have thrifted, and that is my play suit from a dress. So that is the third and final Upcycle. I hope you enjoyed. So I hope you enjoyed that. Some fantastic little items in there, I think. And I love the way that everything turned out, you know. So that's what thrifting is all about sometimes. Sometimes you see something, you go, that's just what I want, but it's not the right size, it's not the way I want it. Change it to the way you want it, and then you will wear it all the time, and you've given that piece of clothing a new breath of fresh air and life. And you know, it will revolutionize your wardrobe, I guarantee it. Obviously you don't have to go as out there as me, even if it's just literally taking up a pair of trousers, cutting some shorts, cropping some sweatshirts, anything like that. Go ahead, do it. It is going to be fantastic. It's a good way to get creative with your wardrobe. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you are returning, then please make sure that you click that notification bell so then you know when I've uploaded. If you are new here, then please subscribe. It would be fantastic, and we can all welcome you into this crazy world of fashion. And basically, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you all for just being here and just being you. Thank you so much. You look after yourselves, you look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. Keep creating! Bye!